political unrest, the war with Russia, the China-Taiwan geopolitical situation, pirates off the coast of Africa, cost of shipping, supply chain issues, a whole host of reasons, and many I haven't even delved into, why it is important, if not essential, for manufacturing in North America to bring manufacturing home to North America. Now, traditionally to say last few decades, offshoring a lot of our manufacturing to other countries has proven very beneficial from a business standpoint. We've been able to maintain reasonable quality control. The supply chain has been there. The stuff arrives when we need it to arrive. And it costs us a reasonable amount of money without being too expensive. But these days, as we found through COVID, that horse cart can be upset very easily and very quickly. Look at that Baltimore Bridge. Now, they say that port could be shut down for months. That was supply chain issues, right? The factory that you are offshoring your work to build that widget, they're building widgets. They won't be able to get it to you. They'll be stuck on a ship, or it'll have to be rerouted somewhere, and it'll cost you 3, 4, 5 times as much now. The solution to all this geopolitical unrest and supply chain issues that we are facing and going to face, it's going to get worse, and we all know it. The solution is to bring as much of that manufacturing onshore. The problem we face is there's a lot of cost to that because, cost of living here is much higher. We can't pay workers what we pay in these other countries. They would starve to death. We have stricter environmental and safety laws here that are followed. Cost of energy might be a bit higher or a bit lower. I mean, China's got coal plants everywhere. So what we have to look at is how can we leverage onshoring manufacturing? And the simple solution is automation. That may not sound simple to you, but it's pretty simple. All we do is we look at your process that would be required in your manufacturing process, and we break it down into individual tasks. And then we automate those tasks and control it with a PLC or DCS system. We can then bring all your manufacturing home, skirt all the supply chain issues and geopolitical stuff that currently might be besetting you and could blow up anytime your shipment that your customer is expecting, that you've already ordered, that may be on a boat, may not get there. If you switch over to onshore manufacturing with automation, not only will you get your product to your customer, you'll improve your quality control because it'll be there, and your costs will probably be about the same. Your solution is automation. Dynamic machine design can help you get there.